How to download and install Google Meet in laptop. So if you want to download and install Google Meet in your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your laptop, and after that you need to make sure that you have an internet connection, and you can go with your browser or you can also go with your Microsoft Store. So you can first open up your Microsoft Store. After opening your Microsoft Store, now you just need simply go with search, and under search you can search for Google. After searching for Google Meet, then you will have the application and you'll be able to install it. But if you don't find the Google Meet right here, then what you can do is just simply go back, go with your browser, and on your browser you need to search for Google Meet download. And here you will have meet.google.com. Just click on that option, and here you can go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and you need to go with more tools or cast, save, and share. And here you will have install Google Meet option. Just click on install and click on install again, and the Google Meet has been installed. Now here on the bottom, on the taskbar, you'll have the Google Meet option. Now if you go back and remove all of this, then here you will have the Google Meet. So that's how you can install Google Meet, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.